Let's get started. There are two common modes for ZP1. Switch to top toggle for the lock mode. Switch to button toggle for follow mode. There are top and bottom trigger. The triggers are effective when ZP1 is in lock mode or follow mode, but the triggers are ineffective while ZP1 is ongoing face tracking or object tracking. Long press the top trigger under the lock mode. The lens can quickly follow the movement of panels and tildes. Long press the top trigger under the follow mode. The lens can quickly follow the movement of panels. Long press the bottom trigger under lock mode. The lens follows the movement of panels and tildes. Long press the bottom trigger under follow mode. ZP1 is in lock mode. Double tap the bottom trigger to recenter ZP1.